The gas cupboard is located inside the rear garage on the left side of the motorhome. Open the garage door to expose the gas cupboard door. Press the door buttons to unlock the gas cupboard. Inside the gas cupboard, you'll find 2 large LPG or propane gas tanks. Please remember to open both tanks before using them. To open tank 1, turn the yellow knob anti-clockwise or away from you. To open tank 2, also turn the yellow knob anti-clockwise or towards you. The auto gas tank selector at the top will auto switch from tank 1 to tank 2 when empty. After opening both gas tanks, the next thing to do is open the gas isolating valves, which you'll find underneath the cooking hob. Starting from the left, the first isolator is for the oven. When it's horizontal or pointing to 0, it's off. To turn it on, just turn the valve vertically so it points to number 1. The second isolator is for the combi boiler. The third isolator works for both the freezer and fridge. When the motorhome is plugged into an external power source, the freezer and fridge will automatically choose electricity as the first option. The fourth isolator is for the cooking hob or stove. Please make sure to turn on or open the gas tanks and isolator switches before using the trauma combi boiler control panel.